Introducing the complete snowboard, engineered for unparalleled performance on any terrain. Experience superior edge hold and responsiveness thanks to its advanced construction. Conquer powder,
Welcome to this
carve
explainer.
corners,
Look,
and
if you're a
explore the
Shopify merchant,
backcountry.
you already know all about the daily grind of marketing. It never stops, right? Well, today we are taking a deep dive tutorial into a tool that is completely changing the game for e-commerce. It's called Noian, pronounced Noin, and it essentially acts as the ultimate AI social media manager for your Shopify store. Let's jump right in and reveal exactly how it works and the massive value it can bring to your brand.
Here's our roadmap for today. We're going to cover the social content struggle, meet your AI manager, the compose and content tabs, calendar and autopilot growth, tracking success and settings, and finally wrap up with value, pricing, and impact.
All right, part one, the social content struggle. The demand for social content these days, it is absolutely relentless. You aren't just trying to make one cool post. You're trying to produce enough content consistently across multiple platforms. And adapting formats for Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and LinkedIn usually means paying expensive freelancers, manually posting at all hours of the day, and getting totally bogged down in complex editing tools. It's fragmented, it's incredibly expensive, and frankly, it's just exhausting to sustain.
So let's move to part two. Meet Noian, your AI manager. Noian basically takes that entire exhausting pipeline and compresses it into a really effortless 5-step workflow. First, you just connect your Shopify catalog and accounts. Second, select your products. Third, the AI generates the content for you: videos, captions, voiceovers, music, the whole shebang. Fourth, you review it. And fifth, it publishes automatically. You are literally transforming your existing product data into a continuous stream of social content. Right on the Notion home dashboard, you get an instant overview of your entire social operation. At a quick glance, you can see all your connected accounts and generated content. Down in the recent activity area, you can effortlessly track what's been successfully published to places like Instagram and Facebook and what is currently just sitting as a draft. It's centralized distribution right at your fingertips. Moving on to part three, the Compose and Content tabs. So over in the Compose tab, you absolutely do not need to be some expert copywriter to get great results. Just type a simple idea into the brief box, something like, "Summer sale, 20% off swimwear this week, playful and upbeat tone." Check the boxes for your preferred platforms, select a format like a short video, and boom, the AI takes that core announcement and completely tailors the voiceover, subtitles, and sizing for those specific platforms. And it gets even better when we pull directly from your catalog. When setting up a product of the day spotlight, you just select an item straight from your Shopify inventory. Let's use this highly stylized liquid snowboard as an example. You hit Generate Spotlight, and Noian immediately builds a premium piece of content highlighting that exact item, complete with AI lifestyle imagery, background music, and a captivating script. And the quality of that script, it's actually staggering. Just listen to this AI-generated copy. What if your ride could capture the depth of a moonlit night and the fluidity of liquid motion? This board isn't just for shredding, it's a statement. It seamlessly transitions right into selling the engineering of the board. And the voiceovers that Noian generates, they read this with perfect pacing. It doesn't sound like a robot. It sounds like a premium marketing agency. But hey, you are always the one steering the ship here. Over in the Content tab, you retain full governance. Drafted scripts just sit safely in your Composer inbox. Before anything goes live, you review the text, preview the media, and hit that black Publish button only when you are completely satisfied. It's total brand control with zero heavy lifting.
Part 4, Calendar and Autopilot Growth.
This is where the automated foresight really kicks in. Inside the Calendar tab, the system maps to your local region and automatically flags upcoming retail events, like Labor Day, for example. You can configure Noian to prepare content days in advance. The AI spots the date, creates tailored content, and just has it waiting for your approval. You literally never miss a holiday marketing opportunity again.
And for the ultimate hands-free experience, there's Autopilot Node. When active, Noian automatically generates one product post a day. It selects an item, gives it the full treatment with a script, subtitles, and music, and readies it for the world. High-quality social campaigns are being built while you sleep, keeping your brand active every single day.
Let's look at part 5, Tracking Success and Settings.
Any great tool has to actually prove its worth, right?
Well, the Analytics tab does exactly that. During a short demo period, the sources noted that a liquid snowboard post instantly generated over 100 views and massive reach on Instagram. You get a really clear, centralized view of your views, reach, likes, and clicks across all connected platforms, instantly proving the real-world impact of your automated content.
Configuration in the Settings tab is a total breeze. You can connect up to 15 different social accounts: Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, YouTube Shorts, you name it. But a massive standout feature is the content language setting. You can easily adjust the language of the voiceover and subtitles, allowing you to perfectly target your audience in their native tongue. Now, also in Settings is this auto-approve publishing toggle. When you first start out, you can review every single post using a handy Telegram bot for quick mobile approvals. But once you trust the stunning quality of the AI's output, simply check Auto Approve Premium Videos. From that exact moment on, your content pipeline is fully automated, straight from your catalog to your customers' feeds. Finally, Part 6, Value, Pricing, and Impact. Think about what a traditional marketing agency or even just a freelance video editor costs every month, easily in the thousands, right? Well, Noian starts with a free plan so you can test the waters. The starter plan is just $29.90 a month for 30 videos across 5 accounts. And the Pro plan, offering 60 videos a month across 15 accounts, is only $79.90. The annual savings are just staggering, letting lean e-commerce teams scale their output massively without adding a single headcount. Which leaves us with one final question for you. Are you ready to turn every product in your catalog into a social campaign? Noian gives you the power to convert your existing Shopify inventory into a continuous, automated stream of premium social media content. It's efficient, it's highly structured, and it is ready to transform how you market your store. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and I highly encourage you to go see the magic of this tool for yourself.